What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So, this is just going to be an update on this account here. It's been a while since I made a video on, this account or whatnot. So, I thought I would give you guys an update. So far today, we are on $350 in sales, with 346 to be exact or whatnot. So, of course, you guys already know we're buying the video games for $1 to $3 or whatnot, selling them for 30, 40, 50 bucks sometimes, it's ridiculous. Look at this James Bond game here, sold for $38. Literally picked that up for $1.50. Like, not bad at all. I got a bundle of these batteries right here. If I'm not mistaken, it was like $1 a piece. So, that's been a really nice return on those. People have been buying them for 20 bucks. I've been selling them. I picked them up for $1, selling them for 20. For this game right here, The Sims, again, picked that up for around $1.50. Sold it for 25. This book right here, pretty sure I bought that for $1, so I don't even know if I made any money off of that or not, because the fees be so high when it comes to book on Amazon. I haven't sent any books in for a while, But the big sale today was this right here, this Netgear modem thing or whatnot. So not bad, super dirt cheap, video games and stuff, just picking them up. Everything is just dirt cheap, and then you just sell them for a much higher price. So I've been actually, focusing more on bigger profitable items or whatnot. Like, you haven't really seen a lot of stuff from Walmart. Unless it was like, the video games or something like that. Because, those are going to sell, regardless. So in about a good 2 months, so after everyone's willing to drop their price to the point where they aren't making any money, which is crazy. But, people do that. They drop the price for they're literally not making any money whatsoever. That's when I'll come in and get my $30 in profit on each game. I have no problem waiting 3 months. If I can spend $5 today and in 3 months get $30 in profit for each one, I have no problem doing that. A lot of people, they're not going to do that. That for me, it's common sense. Like, if you spend $1,000 today or $10,000 today, in 3 months, you're getting 30 grand. How is that? Like, there's no, like, what? Like, like, it's just crazy that people, like, it's to be that simple. Like, oh yeah, in 3 months, that's 30 grand right there. But what if it doesn't sell? What if it does, though? But like I said, I'm actually happy that people race to the bottom now. Before, I used to be upset about it. I absolutely love it. If you are a Landshark Profits member, you guys already know why. I love when people drop their price. Drop the price. Go ahead, drop it to where you aren't going to make any money. Do it. I hope people do that. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this here. I actually started selling on eBay as well too, guys. So I'm going to see how it goes. I've only been up there for about a day or so or whatnot. I put 3 listings up. I want to get like at least 100 listings or whatnot. Start getting some payments, get my first payment and stuff like that. I want to get like 100 of them up. Now, I see other people selling stuff in like, one-piece packages and stuff like that. But for me personally, I think I'm gonna just be like miniature wholesaler or something like that on there. That's just the way I'm looking at things, or like either like selling in lots or bundles. That's like the only things that I'm gonna put up there. At least that's like right now. That's my plan or whatnot. Because I could sell a crap ton of video games, or I could sell like, I don't know, just like random bundles of stuff. Like I got a Wii up there that I just put up there. It's one of the black Wii, and it's got like 35 games with it or whatnot. It's got 2 controllers, and it was just like something I couldn't sell on Amazon because the top is missing or whatever. So wanted to test that out on there. Started the bid off at 25 bucks, so we got that literally in seconds. So it ends in like 4 or 5 days or something. So we'll just see how it goes. Right now I'm just testing, playing around with it, just see how it goes or whatnot. But I'll let you guys, know about that, give you guys an update and stuff once, obviously, got some experience under my belt and stuff like that, But that is pretty much it, guys. If you got any questions, so be drop them down below. Hopefully you guys got into Landshark Profits with the discount or whatnot, because like I said before, all those discounts are closed. And like, look at that, like, you learn exactly how to do this. This is a $345 so far today, right? And you learn exactly where I get this stuff from, like the whole 9 yards. Like, mind blowing. Like people are gonna literally make their money back the same damn day. Well, in one day or whatnot, because obviously you got to set all your stuff up or whatever. But you guys know what I'm saying. But again, pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff.